Hello, crazy people. Actually, let's say hello, beautiful people. This video is going to be a little bit different, and I will talk about how photography can help you with your mental health. Lately, I've been quite down due to the fact that I broke my foot. I cannot work the way I used to, I cannot exercise, I cannot drive, I cannot do a lot of things that I love doing. So it has taken a toll in my mental health. However, I can photograph, and this is helping me a lot. So grab your coffee and let's talk about how photography is helping me and it can help you. If this is the first time you are here in my channel, my name is Sarah and I'm a creative photographer, and in this channel I teach you how to create creative photography using objects that you have at home, improvised equipment, different techniques on Photoshop or Lightroom to create beautiful images that everybody will think you use a professional studio for it. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, hit that subscribe button right now. I've got new videos dropping here every single week, just waiting for you to dive in and get it created. And one more thing, make sure to stay until the end because I'm going to show the photo I created that in my vision represents the tough moments I'm encountering in my life right now. Let's do it. Long story short, I broke my foot at the gym and I'm unable to work, exercise, drive. I cannot even clean my house well. So it's been quite challenging in the last few weeks. But before I spend all the savings I have just to get by here in Australia, I promised to myself I wouldn't be down and I would keep myself positive during this process. Creating photography here at home has been essential to help my mind get by and to distract myself from my problems. It's told and it's proven that photography in general can be a powerful tool for improving mental health and well-being in severe ways. So let me list something for you. Mindfulness and presence. Photography encourages you to be present in the moment. Focus your attention in the details of your surroundings. This mindfulness practice can help reduce stress and anxiety by shifting your focus away from worries about the past or future. Self-exploration and reflection. Taking photographies can prompt self-reflection and introspection as you explore subjects that resonate with your personality. Either capturing landscape, portraits, or abstract images, photography can help you better understand yourself and your place in the world. And if you do landscape photography or like travel photography, for example, it helps you to connect with the nature, the environment, and to people. Connecting to nature promotes relaxation, boosts mood, and reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety. And by taking photos of people and like sharing your photos on social media, you are socially connecting, creating relationships, which gives us a sense of community, that we belong to something, just like I'm doing right now with you. And this next one is something that I feel a lot of times when I finish my pictures, a sense of achievement, which boosts self-esteem. And in this channel, we promote creative expression. Through your lens, you can capture your unique perspective, emotions, and experiences, allowing you to express yourself in ways that words alone cannot. So in my opinion, no doubt, photography has some therapeutic benefits and help you with your mental health challenge. And now I will show to you the photo I took, which for me represents my inability to move and to do things I love. As I work with creative materials, I decided to use this PVC piece here that I had in my studio and attach it in a way in my camera and try to capture me in the corner alone, sitting and thinking through the PVC. My space is a little small, as you know, so I had to use my 16mm lens to be able to capture me through the PVC, and I use masking tape as it's less gluey, and I put this cloth around to protect the lens. I use masking tape to attach that to my camera, to my lens, and I use this cloth to protect it. I chose a photo and did minor editing on Photoshop. Edits that could be done easily on Lightroom or some free apps. And this is the final result. And Just a disclaimer to finish this video. I am not a doctor or a psychologist. I'm just a photographer that uses photography to help me to express myself, that ultimately gives that sense of comfort and sense of achievement, which is really, really good for my mental health. If you feel you need a professional help, you should, and please look for it. And I just wanted to say to you, this is almost my mantra, and I like to say it singing just like Bob Marley. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. I love you all. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next week. Bye.